A deck of playing cards contains 28 character cards, 70 action cards, and 28 quest cards. Luke pulls out one card from the deck. What is the probability that he'll pull out a quest card? So first let's highlight the key parts of 28 character, 70 action, and 28 quest. So I'm actually going to rewrite this underneath, and we're going to do 28C for character, plus 70A for action, and 28Q for quest. And we're trying to work out what's the chances you're going to pull out a quest card out of all of the cards. So our equation's actually going to be, we've got our quest card amount of 28, so we need to work out what the total amount is. So let's add this up first. We've got 70, which we'll leave be, and then we've got two 28s. So 2 28s, we'll break it up to 20 plus 20 and 8 plus 8. And 20 plus 20 will equal 40, 8 plus 8 equals 16, and when we add it together with the 70, the 40, and the 16, we're going to end up with the number 126. So our question's really asking, what is 28, all of the quest cards, over 126? Now, just looking at this equation, you might be able to work out the answer here, just through elimination. We can see clearly that 28 over 126 is not 1/3. 1/3 would imply that 28 times 3 will equal 126, which we know isn't true. The second one, 28 over 70, and this could definitely be a possibility, but when you think about it, 28 is very close to half of 70, which is 35. And would you say 28 is close to half of 126? No, so we'll leave it out. 2 over 9 wouldn't be an easy one to eliminate, so we'll ignore it for now. The next one is 1 over 4. And again, does 28 look like 1/4 of 126? If we multiply 28 by 4, do we get to 126? And just looking at it, I can say the answer is no. And then the last one, 1 over 28, is definitely not true, as 1 over 28 implies this 28 is 1. So we would have to multiply 28 times to get to 126, which we know isn't likely. So we can cross it out. And just through elimination, we know that 2 over 9 is the correct answer. But let's assume you can't work it out through elimination. Instead, we're going to go through this equation by simplifying this 28 over 126. So the first thing I'll do, as they're both even numbers, is just divide it all by 2. So 28 divided by 2 is going to equal 14. And then 126 divided by 2 will equal 63. And now they're not both even numbers, so I can't divide it by 2. But just looking at 63 and 14, I know they are both multiples of 7. So I'm going to divide them both by 7. So 14, and we'll do it up above. 14 divided by 7 will equal 2. And then 63 divided by 7, I know equals 9. And the reason I know this is because 10 times 7 will equal 70. And if I remove 1 7 from 70, I get 63, which is our option here. And 10 minus 1 will equal 9. So our final answer will be 2 over 9, which matches our elimination answers and the third one down.